nicely? Since I only have 5 more seconds in this form, I'll save you this a favor.
I actually survived that!
You're welcome, by the way.
Did I imagine it?
Why? Do you imagine me often?
You can hear my thoughts?
Only if you let me.
How are you even in my
You
head?
have a mental link, but I'm not in your head. Look down.
That's you?
My core is broken. I can't maintain my true form for long. Then. But how?
She killed it, not me.
This little fox killed that monster?
In one hit.
I'm Ivy.
Damon.
I know. You said it right before you got eaten. I'm tired. Carry me. It's clear. It's in.